welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Hopefully, you guys are doing good. So, going to touch on the Reggae Boyz FIFA ranking. As you guys know, I think most of you guys would have already seen that the Jamaica stepped up in FIFA ranking. But fun fact, about this time last year, no, 2 years ago, about around this time, 2 years ago, we ranked 45, and we made a big regress from 45 to 50. And since we made that regress, it's a consistent decline until we reach even the 62nd. That's the route that we have taken. But anyways, we're going to touch on some more aspect of this. A big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button if you're here for the first time. We thoroughly appreciate it if you do so all the time. Now, as you guys know, I would have seen the Reggae Boyz would have moved from the FIFA ranking of 57 to 55th. Just 2 ranking. Yeah, people have said, boy, just 2. It's not really significant. Actually, it has significance. It has some level of significance because it's an upward movement. Once you start to move in the right direction, it definitely has some level of significance. First, we're going to touch on the last time with the last ranking and the games that we have played since that last ranking and how we would have maximized some points and also what would have understand from that. So the last ranking would have been taken up from the 14th of February. That would have been the last ranking, and since then would have played quite a few matches. Would have played the two friendlies versus Trinidad. Would have played the Nation League game, which would have been the game versus USA and the game versus Panama. So those 4 games would have taken account. Yes, I know people saying, but it's international friendly. So how is it? It was outside of the FIFA calendar. So how does that weigh up anything? Now, I've realized that it actually carries some level of weight because based off FIFA, they have weight. They record it as weight. We have between friendlies outside of international match calendar, it equals from 1 to 5. 1 equals 5. It equals to 5. And qualification matches for Confederation final competition and the FIFA World Cup final competition equivalates to 25. So it does have weight. It does carry some level of significance despite the games. And the point standing and the pointing are games that are not played, especially drawn games, because we have seen here the 0-0 draw we have drawn with Trinidad. You'd have seen Trinidad gain a plus 0.9 point, and on Jamaica would have lost a 0.9 point. So you see that there is some level of significance. It's just that not that big amount. And the game that would have won, they lost 1.61 point and would have gained 1.61 point. That the game that would have defeated them, even though it's outside of a FIFA window. So it goes to show that actually these things count. I personally, I'm surprised when I'm seeing this because if I'm being honest, I never necessarily know that it gone so to these high levels of intricacies. But that is football, I have to say. Anyways, so where the meaty stuff is concerned is the games that we played against the USA and the game that we played against Panama. This is where the big point standing lies. Now that game we played against the USA, I think on the 90 minute, it would have recorded that the game would have ended 1-1 in 90 minutes, despite we would have lost the game. So USA only gained 7.13 points from that game. We didn't gain any point. We didn't lose any point, apparently, based on what we're seeing here. And then now the game, the third place playoff that would have won 1-0, with Jamaica would have gained 13.78 points from that, even though Panama didn't lose any point, as you can see on your screen. So it's very important to try to understand what's really happening here. So basically, over that time period, would have gained 1.61 plus 13.75, that's roughly 15 points thereabouts, roughly 15 points that would have gained over the time period, and that would have showcased to us the progressive step that would have made. Yes, I understand that many people said, "Why?" Oh, so it's actually gained 14.49 points. We gained 14.49 points from that. I will move up 2 places. So definitely, I understand that many people say, "Boy, 2 points, the position is not enough, but look how much games would have played just to make that move. The next team in front of us at 54 points is actually Costa Rica, and they are practical. Let me see how much points they're on right now. Costa Rica is on 1,441 points, or on 1,436 points. So a few more positive results, I would have bypassed Costa Rica. Just saying. If that's the case. No, that is where the come the ball come in place now. Yes, that is where Copa America drop in place now. Going up against some tough teams in Copa America. Some really, really tough teams. And I do believe that this is a position that this is a position that we're going to be in, that we can garner some level of points. If we can get 2 wins out of the 3, just say it. If we can get 2 out of the 3, just imagine the amount of points that is gonna gather for us, and we can maybe just possible see ourselves back into the 40 region thereabout. If that's the case. Just saying, because if we win two of those games, so we win 2 and draw 1, or so we lose 1, draw 1 and win 1. And advance with 4 points. Just saying advance with 4 points. Do you know what that means? That is big. That is really, really big. But certainly, as it stands right now for the CONCACAF region, USA, where ranking is concerned, is ranked 11th in the world. Mexico is 14th. Panama is 45. So you see the reason why our points are big against Panama. Panama ranked 45, and we defeated them. Canada 49. We defeated Canada as well. Just imagine, just me tell people, crazy man, crazy. And Costa Rica 54, Jamaica 55. So those are the teams who would have actually sit ranking in front of us. And let me tell you, based off how we look right now, we can tell you, it's strong possibility we might surpass some of these teams in short order. Anyways, that's it, people. So Jamaica ranked now 55th in the world where FIFA ranking is concerned. It's a big move. Any progressive move is something we have to talk about. It's something we have to highlight. And when the team is moving in the right direction, we can highlight the wrongs, we can highlight the bads, but also when there's positives, we can definitely highlight it. So I'm out here in my garden today. Big up yourself, people. Enjoy yourself. Fresh air, cool breeze. It's nice. Big up yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. God bless. Hit the like button, people. Hit the like button. Tell us what you think in the comment section about our upward movement. It's great. It's great in my view. Big up on yourself, people. MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Boom.